How to wishlist GTA 6 on PlayStation 5. In this video, I will guide you on how to wishlist GTA 6 on PS5. The first thing you want to do is from your PS5 home screen, scroll over and open PlayStation Store. Now in the search bar, you want to try typing GTA. Now search for that and you should find the option of GTA 6. If you don't, then you want to try GTA 6. Now, if it still doesn't pop up, there's still a few more things that you can try. Try spelling it out. So go ahead and type Grand Theft Auto. Now, from this option, you want to select Grand Theft Auto 6. If you still do not find this option, you can also try typing PlayStation 6. Now, from the search results, click on GTA 6. On this page, you will find Add to Wishlist option. Click on that. Once you have added to wishlist, you can also view the screenshots and trailers, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.